Guys, the latest Huawei series of smartphone, okay, the Pura 70, Pura 70 Ultra, Pro, and also the Pura 70, they are all here on my table. And in this video, I want to share with you my honest opinion in using the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra for 2 weeks. Let's go. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So as I mentioned just now, right, I've been using this Ultra for a bit and I want to share with you my thoughts and opinion and also my first impression when I actually first got it, okay? But of course, let's start with an unboxing and take a look at the design. So when it comes to the design for the Pura 70 series, it is truly different from the rest because the camera panel itself, okay, is not conventional. Now, if you look at the Pura 70 Ultra here, it comes in 3 colors, black, brown, and green. And the material used is actually starry pattern and it's also exquisitely embossed with some texture, okay, so it actually feels very good in the hands. Now, when it comes to the camera, if you look at it, right, it is a little bit different. Why? Because it has this special mechanism that is retractable, okay? So I will show you how to switch it on and how it goes back to the phone and listen to the sound. Now, speaking of camera, okay, let's take a look at the specs of these lenses first. Now, it has a 50 megapixel ultra lighting pop-out camera with 1-inch CMOS sensor, 40 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 50 megapixel ultra lighting macro telephoto camera. So when you look at the viewfinder, we actually get a few zooming options, okay? Ultra wide, 1x, 2x, 3.5x, which is optical, and up to 100 times digital zoom. Now, there are 3 features that I want to show you, okay, which is truly amazing, and I was like so impressed when I was using this phone. Now, the first one is called Ultra Speed Snapshot. Basically, right, this one is able to let us freeze frames, although the movement or the action in the viewfinder is super fast, okay? For example, a moving water fountain. Look at that. And if you zoom in the photos, the water droplets are actually very sharp, okay? And that shows that this sensor is truly fast. Now, the second feature I want to talk to you about is Super Macro, which is also my favorite feature, okay? So this one, when you turn on Super Macro, it will actually move to 4x zoom, okay? And you can actually shoot subjects even though you don't go super near to them, okay? For example, like what you see here, I'm shooting my watch. Although the phone is not very near to the watch, I am actually to go very close up. And this also works for video. Look at that. Now, when it comes to the third feature, okay, of course, this one is the most important for most people because this is portrait mode, okay? Now, when it comes to portrait mode, we get 3 options of zoom as well. We get 1x, 2x, and also 3.5x. Now, I'm showing you sample photos now of me in different zoom focal length, okay? As you can see here, there are some bokeh that is very natural looking, but of course, you can switch it off as well. And there are other options for bokeh too. So if you look at the screen here, there are options like circle, hearts, swirl, and more. Now, not forgetting the front camera, okay? The front camera actually has a 13 megapixel sensor and it has 3 zooms as well. Ultra wide, 0.8x, and also 1x. Now, when it comes to the display, okay, it is very high res. The size is 6.8 inches, LTPO OLED, okay, and it can produce 1.07 billion colors. Now, from my experience, the screen is very sharp and the animation is also very snappy because it supports from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. I have no complaints with the quality of the screen, but I personally do not like curved edges on the phone, okay? So if can, I would actually prefer a square version of this, like a flat screen Huawei. Maybe use the screen on the Huawei Pura 70, but on the Ultra maybe. Now, when it comes to installing apps on the Huawei Pura, okay, you might have heard about some news that, oh, you can't install certain apps. No, because it is so easy now. I was also shocked how easy it is when I got the phone, okay? So if you want to install apps like Instagram, Google Drive, Gmail, and stuff like that, just go to Huawei App Gallery, look for those apps, and install straight away, and you will be able to use it without problems, okay? But if you feel like I still need to look at that Google Play Store in my phone and download my favorite apps, also can, okay? So what you need to do is go to Huawei App Gallery and then search for Google Play Store, and it will lead you to another page that installs this app called Gbox, okay? Once you have that Gbox installed, you will be able to install Google Play Store, and of course, when you have Google Play Store on your Huawei Pura, all the apps will be accessible for you, okay? No problem at all. Like what I'm doing now, I have WhatsApp, I have Netflix, everything you want is on the phone. So that was just some quick sharing about the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra phone that I've been using, and I really like this phone, okay? Now, pricing wise, it is 6599, okay? Now, if you think that, it's a little bit too steep, don't worry, because they have two more options, okay? The Huawei Pura 70 Pro. And this one comes in two colors, which is black and white, and the price is 4899, okay? Now, if you also think that, I just want a new Pura phone, but I don't want to spend so much, don't worry, also got another one, okay? This is the Huawei Pura 70, and it comes in three colors some more. Black, white, and also pink, and the price is 3699. So if you're interested in the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra or Pro or the non-Pro, click on the link in the description below to find out more, okay? So that is all, quick sharing from me. And if you love gadgets like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video to your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!